Most people overcook pasta, and they don't even realize it. They follow the instructions, drain the pasta, and still wonder why it feels wrong. If your pasta feels soft, heavy, or disappointing, this is exactly where the problem starts. In this video, I'll show you a simple rule used in real restaurants that instantly makes pasta taste better. And once you understand this rule, you'll never trust the package timing again. The mistake usually begins with the cooking time written on the package. 8 minutes, 10 minutes, 12 minutes. Those numbers look precise, but they are not real rules. They are only rough guidelines meant to be flexible. Different pasta shapes cook differently. Different brands use different flours. Even the size of your pot changes how pasta cooks. That's why pasta should never be cooked strictly by the clock. In Italy, pasta is cooked by texture, not by time. Here is the rule most home cooks completely ignore. Remove the pasta about 2 minutes before the package time. At that point, the pasta should still feel firm when you bite it. Not crunchy, but clearly undercooked. This step is intentional, not a mistake. Pasta does not stop cooking when you drain it. It continues cooking from its own internal heat. And it cooks even faster once it meets the sauce. If you fully cook pasta in boiling water, it becomes soft too early. By the time it reaches the sauce, it has already lost structure. This is why restaurant pasta always feels different. Restaurants never finish pasta in boiling water. They finish cooking it directly in the pan, together with the sauce. This allows the pasta to absorb flavor while finishing perfectly. It also helps release starch into the sauce. That starch is what creates a natural creaminess. No cream, no butter tricks, just proper technique. Here is the correct process to follow at home. First, salt the water generously. The water should taste well seasoned, not bland. Second, remove the pasta early while it is still firm. Then transfer it directly into the pan with the sauce. Add a small splash of pasta water. Let everything finish cooking together for the final minutes. Stir gently and let the sauce coat the pasta. This is how you get pasta that is balanced and glossy. The texture stays firm, but never dry. The flavor becomes deeper and more integrated. Once you try this method, it becomes impossible to go back. You'll immediately notice the difference in every dish. If you want more real Italian cooking techniques like this, subscribe to the channel. In the next video, I'll show you another common mistake that quietly ruins pasta for most people.